I think seeing everything in its entirety and how big the whole space is has been pretty incredible. So obviously no Yutong's such a big global brand, but being able to see, I think just how big this whole facility is has been incredible. From the marketing centre at the start, I mean, just seeing the global evolution of Yutong has been incredible. I guess seeing what goes into these buses makes it worthwhile from the Australian perspective. I think knowing that this is what's coming to Australia and the quality and the technology from autonomous buses to these testing and electric buses has been really awesome to see.
Great, fantastic, awesome. It's important to see the process and over 400 vehicle production in a day. This is something special. I've never had that in the world somewhere.
We really appreciate this because it gives so much value to our customers and passengers. So it just shows the commitment of Yutong to one of its values of excellence.
I've learned a lot so far and it's been a great experience.
We came from Sri Lanka and we are using most of the buses like that Yutong. That is a very reliable vehicle.
This is my first time at Yutong and it's been a very impressive visit so far. The factory line is really impressive. They do it really detailed stage by stage.
After sales service is huge for us and support for the vehicle. The build quality is probably not questioned, but the after sales support is what our priority is, to support the product when things may not always go right.
Yutong 给我的感觉就是很大，另外就是高端，然后就有品质。Yutong 给我的这个印象真的很惊艳。